This is the Philips EU personal wireless lighting. I got it from Home Depot, and it's White Ambience, and this is wireless. So this is what it came with. So the recessed light, and then there is already, it's just it, you just connect it. You don't have, you don't need those lots of wirings if you use it. So you just need a socket, like a bulb socket for it. So I have this lamp that I use as my bulb socket because that's what the U lighting came with. So the one that I bought is a white ambience, so that's how it looks if you turn it on. And because it's part of the Philips U collection, you do have a way of adding the Philips U app in your iPhone or Android phone. And in my case, I have an Android phone, and all you need to do is if you've already downloaded or have not downloaded the Philips U app, you need to download it, which I already did, and all you need to do is go to the app and click add product. So as soon as you click to add a new product or bulb, you can, or add lights. So there is a way for you to scan the QR code. So the QR code would be in that light, the recessed light that I have. And this app you can use in controlling the light. Like, this is a white ambience, so there's not really a lot of change, but you do have a way of controlling it. So here's the one I was talking about. So add lights, scan the QR code, and just follow the prompt in your phone. It's very self-explanatory. And then all you need to do is to be patient and wait for that notification to pair it, and then click pair. So the app won't connect the bulb if the bulb is turned off. So make sure it's turned on because I have it turned on right now. And as soon as you've paired it, you've already connected it, you can name the bulb, just for you to know which one you're using. I do have two of them. I have the other one with colors, but I have not turned it on. So this is just a setup for this white ambience one. So basically, with this recessed light, you can put it anywhere you want it to. Just get, like, if you don't have the bulb socket, you can actually get one. You can probably get a longer wire and just like connect it to an extension wire, or of course any wall plug socket you have. And then I'm still working on this app, just showing you that I am just changing the name of um, the location, but that's it. You just have to go to the settings. It's very easy. And then if you have several of the lighting, you can actually get the Philips HUE Bridge. But then here it's going to show you what model you have. And again, um, if you like being able to have like a control of your light, and with this one you can also change scenes. Again, this is just a white ambience, but you do have a way of changing the scenes, like if you want to dim it or just set it up to dim on its own. And that's it. It's very easy. The app is very self-explanatory as well. See how easy it is. You just go back to the app. If you disconnect, usually it turns on it automatically turns the Bluetooth on, but that's how it is.